toit public. So I made it to Bogota now after a 24-hour trip. I'm exhausted, can't sleep, and then next chapter. But for now, I need to sleep. So I made it to Bogota. First day, it's like 12. I'm walking toward the park. There's a big park near my hotel. I'm a little tired, slightly dehydrated, and yeah, I'm walking around, taking a look how it feels like to be here, just checking in the vibe.
Sí, claro.
De que la capital del país, los indígenas tenían.
Let's try this chicken and potato. Tastes good. See if I'm sick tomorrow. So this is coco lemonade. It really tastes like a milkshake. I think it's one of the best sweet stuff I ever drank. Insanely good. The street food was not good, it was not cooked. I'm in this restaurant, I'm gonna eat like a very big burger. Just had one of the best burgers of my life. It was really good. I feel the altitude actually, because Bogota is 2,600 meters high and I'm really not used to this. So I feel it. I feel it now. Have a hard time to catch my breath actually, because I'm used to live at sea level. So for once, yeah, it's a little different. But it's so green here. Look at that. It's just so green. So I've been walking like 15 kilometers today around Bogota. I went to the big parks that are here around, and well, so far I feel it's pretty safe. Like, people are pretty nice. I've seen, I don't know, I think there's a military complex here, so I've seen like a lot of cops and military people with machine guns, so I felt pretty safe actually. I could not really talk today while filming myself. It's gonna be the same for the next few days because it's high in altitude here, so my body needs to adapt. I don't have enough oxygen, so I'm like out of breath all the time. Nothing really bad, but yeah, I just have to be careful, stay hydrated, and yeah, be careful with my breathing.